students, welcome to English Pros class. Today we are going to start how things work part 2. Let's start with activity 6. Look at the picture of the drop of water. Work with a group or a partner to use the information in. How does it do that? To explain why the cloth under the drop looks bigger than the clothes next to the drop. In the next box, you have to write when you and your group agree on the clear explanation for how the drops makes the cloak look bigger. Write your explanation in your own words. The explanation would be, the drop makes the clothes under it appears bigger because the drop of the water on the cloth should have magnified the area that it has covered. This happens because the drop had a curved upper surface and the flat bottom was transparent. The shape bends the light reflected from the object under it in the much the same manner as the glass magnifying lenses with the shape. The smaller the drop of water, the greater the curvature of the upper surface and the greater magnification of the object underneath. The larger drops cannot magnify as much because there was not as much of the curve in the large drop. Although the smaller drop magnified more, there was less area that could be seen. One more article given in activity 7. Usually umbrellas keep the people dry, but a little girl in Japan invented an umbrella that sprays water on the person who carries it. She wanted an umbrella to help people stay cool in very hot weather. People who work outside in the sun likes the little girl's idea and buy her raining umbrella. The question based on the article is, the raining umbrella was invented to solve the problem. What was the problem? When there is extreme heat, people face problems ranging from heat stroke, heat exhaustion, and other types of heat illnesses. These are the common occurrences in the hot weather. To solve this problem, we have to save ourselves from the direct heat of the sun. Any umbrella will serve this purpose, but the misting umbrella will spray cold water so you will feel quite comfortable in the severe heat. Now activity 8, 9 and 10, you have to do it by yourself. In activity 8, you have to write about the raining umbrella, like how many parts do you think it needs, how would the parts be connected, etc. In activity 9, write a story about a child who invents something. Share your story with your class. How many inventions did your class invent? Activity 10. Read the following quotations and choose a quote what you think is interesting and explain what it means. This is the end of this chapter. Thank you.